arise, awake, and not stop until the goal is reached. Swami Vivekananda, the great brilliant genius of India, the entire human race with his creative knowledge through his spiritual and religious knowledge, he always believed in karma. Hello my dear friends, you must have heard the name of Swami Vivekananda. In today's video, we are going to know about his life. So let's get started. Alright, welcome back. So let's start it from his birth. On the day of Makar Sankranti, on 12 January 1863, Swami Vivekananda was born. If we are talking about his family, so his father Vishwanath Dutt was a lawyer of Calcutta High Court, and his mother Bhuvneshwari Devi, she was a spiritual woman, and his grandfather, whose name was Durga Sharan Dutt, he was a good in Persian and Sanskrit, and he also left his family and became a monk. Swami Vivekananda's childhood name was Narendra Dutt. From his childhood, he was extremely sharp and intelligent person. Whenever he got a chance, he never missed to playing pranks on his friend and his teachers. From his childhood, he had a spiritual environment in his family, so he aware of spiritual knowledge. This reason, the curiosity to knowing the God was starting awaking in his mind. At a young age, Swami Vivekananda asked such questions related to spirituality. Even his parents and the storytelling pundits who are regularly told the story of Ramayana and Mahabharata, they are also get confused and they are also not able to give answer of his questions. Narendra's schooling was starting in 1871 in a Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar Metropolitan Institute, and he had a great interest in philosophy, religious history, arts and literature, and he also deep interest in Hindu scriptures like Vedas, Upanishad, Ramayana, Mahabharata and Purans, and he studied all of this seriously, and he also trained himself in Indian classical music. After study all of these things, he started to study Western logic, Western philosophy, European history. Then he also studied law. However, the year 1884 was a very sad time for Swami Vivekananda, because at that time his father died. After his father's death, he had a responsibility to take care of his family. But he was not afraid to this situation, and he faced the difficulties and fulfilled the responsibility. His memory power was so amazing. Even he read one time, but he can remember that forever. Do you know how he can do this easily? So he give the credit to his meditation, celibacy and yoga, and he also say that sense control, self-confidence, practice and concentration. These are the four things that make our brain capable. And he also said that men are waste their 90% of thinking power. It is important to concentrate something to understand that. On all these things, he said, we are somewhere else, but we are thinking about something else. So that's why we face difficulty in remembering. Once Swami Vivekananda went to Maharshi Devendra and he asked himself, have you seen the God? Maharshi was so surprised to hear this question. To satisfy his curiosity, he advised him to go to the Ramakrishna Paramahans. Then Swami Vivekananda meet Ramakrishna Paramahans. After the meeting, he was so impressed with him, and he make him his guru, and he also start to following his guidance. In 1885, Ramakrishna Paramahans was suffering from oral cancer disease. Then one of his disciples showed hate for him and inactivity in his service. Then Swami Vivekananda take the responsibility to take care of Ramakrishna Paramahans. His Gurudev's body became so ill during of his death. Swami Vivekananda absorbed him in the service of Gurudev without worrying about the condition of his family and his food. On 16 August 1886, Ramakrishna Paramahans died. After his death, Swami Vivekananda stabilized Ramakrishna Sana in Baranagar, but later his name changed from Ramakrishna Sana to Ramakrishna Mutt. After the stabilization of Ramakrishna Mutt, he started to following celibacy at the age of just 25, and he also came to know as a Swami Vivekananda. On 1st May 1897, Swami Vivekananda stabilized Ramakrishna Mission. The main objective of this mission to build a new India in the field of education, school and hospital and cleanliness. He impressed everyone with his talent and knowledge, and he became a role model for the youth. He visited many places including Ayodhya, Banaras, Vrindavan, Alwar, and Agra during his walking journey. 23 December 1892, Swami Vivekananda reached Kanyakumari. There he was in the deep trance for 3 days. After returning from Kanyakumari, he met his guru's brother, Swami Brahmanand and Swami Turgyanand in Rajasthan. After meeting with him, he decided to go to America. On July 1893, Swami Vivekananda reached Chicago, and there he participated in the World Religion Conference. Whatever he said in Chicago, that gave India a different respect in all over the world. At that time, Indians were like a laughing stock for the people of America and Europe. That's why the foreigners don't want that Swami Vivekananda should get time to speak in Dharma Parishad. But due to the efforts of American professor, he got some time. He started his speech like, "My American brothers and sisters, as I stand up to express my gratitude for the love and respect which you have welcomed us, my heart filled with joy." Then Swami Vivekananda gave the definition of religion. He said that just a different rivers from different sources merge into the sea. In the same way, different religions merge in a one religion that we call God. While returning from America on 1899, he was very ill. He continued fighting from the diseases for almost 3 years. But that time, Swami Vivekananda famous all over the world. It is said that on the last day of his life, 4th July 1902, he did not change his meditation routine. Like every day, he meditated for 2 or 3 hours in the morning, and he reached in Mahasamadhi in the same state of meditation. Do you know that in the front of Swami Vivekananda Samadhi was built? The Samadhi of his Guru Ramakrishna Paramhans was also built on the other side of Ganga. So thank you so much to watching this video.